Hey everybody, what's up? Let's check out the wines in this latest weekly tasting. Let's start with this 2019 basket pressed Grenache from K Brothers. Check out the color in the glass there. This is very light, but that's typical for Grenache. Give them a swirl and a sniff. Grenache is an easy grape to peg. When you smell it, it's almost always candied red fruit in the glass. Candied cherries, strawberries, and raspberries. With Grenache, you don't get a lot of color out of the skins of the grapes, nor do you get tannins, so it's not a very tannic wine. It's smooth and light. While this would qualify for a bold red wine, what keeps it balanced, fresh, and light is the zingy acidity. And the high alcohol gives it a bit of a burn, 14.5% to be precise. The predominant flavors in here are red currants and red cherries. Another reason why I think this wine tastes smooth is because it was basket pressed, as you see here on the front label. Basket pressing is very traditional European. It's a lot more gentle on the grapes and leads to a wine that's less harsh. This is a beautiful wine and it expresses everything that a good Grenache should be. I think what distinguishes this from its old world counterparts is that it's higher in alcohol, which is quintessentially Australian. Thanks so much for watching along with me today. I hope you get a chance to taste this wine for yourself. I'm Mark Supsick. Cheers.